Okay, so hello.
Hi.
Hi.
The IBDP stands for the International Baccalaureate Diploma Program.
Course for people aged 16 to 18 that is taken at the same time as A-levels in the UK.
The structure of the course is taken in 6 different sections where you do 6 different streams of subject in different fields. So you have arts, sciences, humanities, languages, mathematics, and a modern foreign language.
What I take is higher level biology, chemistry, and business.
Economics, history and Spanish.
I took Arabic.
Maths, physics and chemistry.
English, language and literature, anthropology.
High-level English language and literature, high-level anthropology.
Biology, chemistry and mathematics.
Anthropology, English and economics.
Biology and Spanish.
3 at a standard level and 3 at a high level.
High-level subjects are basically subjects that you want to take kind of closer to undergraduate level. They're really the subjects that you want to explore further when you go into further education.
And then you do the standard level, which is kind of above GCSE, but still really in depth.
So types of work that you have to complete at IB, they're normally comprised of coursework and also exams.
The IAs, which are the internal assessments where you can basically take what you've learned in your course and make it personal.
And then you've got 3 core components which really focus on who you are as a person and who you are as a learner. So you've got CAS, where you'll do creativity, activity and service hours every week to focus on broadening your horizons, expanding your abilities.
TOK, which stands for Theory of Knowledge, which is sort of an epistemology course, gets us to understand questions like what is knowledge, where does knowledge come from, and sort of think more deeply about the stuff that we already know.
And you also need to do EE, which is a 4,000 word essay in which you discuss something from a subject of your choice. So out of the 6 subjects, you do an essay on it.
Even though people say it's a really challenging course, yes it is, but it is manageable.
The benefit of going through the IB, dealing with the workload, getting the diploma at the end is being able to really just explore what you're truly interested in, because it's so open-ended.
We really look at things from an international perspective rather than like a one-sided view, because it's not a country's education system, it's the world's education system.
And so it's more than just a qualification, it's a set of skills that you will have for life afterwards.
You improve as a person and you're kind of forced to have an open mind, and I think it prepares you really well for university overall.
And then by the end of it, you will have a much clearer idea of who you are and what you like.
It just takes a lot of strength and resilience, but you'll get through it.
Yeah.